What's poppin', everybody? Welcome to Dinkless channel. This is what. Mama, what are you doing? Anyway, after Mama, can you chillax? Anyway, after that disturbance, what's poppin', everybody? I just thought I could, holla at you people. Be like, hey, yo, what's poppin'? What's up? What's up? So like, okay, Mama. So like, I've been procrastinating going to do my hair. I look bald because I've got cornrows on. This was just an examination hairstyle. So tomorrow we're about to go into the December hairstyle. The December hairstyle. Mama, please open the door for me. Thank you. Where's poppin'? Hi, Snoo Snoo. Hi, Snoo Snoo. Say hi to everyone. Hi, Snoo Snoo. Hi, Snoo Snoo. Give me a paw, Snoo. Thanks, Snoo Snoo. That's my puppy doggy, Snowy. Snowy, you're so cute. Anyway, people. Oh, shoot. What? I spit. It's all dirty. Mama, you must encourage me. Don't go. I never really put in so much work. I'm not even gonna edit this. Yeah. Like after this storm, like our shade netting was just pushed to the side. Take, Snowy. No, take. No, Snowy, it's not your ham. Your food is in the house. Take, Snowy. Mama, I've got a glass. I'm going back. Ooh, wow. Yo, how he's always like, Pardon, yes, please, chicken. I like chicken. And the silver plate. Take Snowy. Yo, bafethu regamo stage assim, wabona no. Wabona. Yo. So yeah, I mean, we officially begin vlogging and videos on YouTube. Let's say latest today. What's the day today? So today is Tuesday, the 11th of November. Snowy, what do you think about that? Fortunately, on a Samsung, I can't really turn the camera. Oh, you want to give me a handshake, Nana? Okay, cool. Okay, Snoo. Come, Snoo. Okay, Snoo. Give me your paw. Snoo. Come, Snoo. Good. Thank you, Snoo. Love you too, Nana. Oh my gosh, my doggy. You're just goals, man. Aren't you goals? Anyway, so we're going to start shooting vlogs. Latest Thursday. Take. No. Latest Thursday. And so yeah, and I'm doing my hair tomorrow, so if it'll get lit. Take, Snowy, hi. Take. If it'll get lit, the young lady had jumped onto the boot, which is what I don't understand. Mummy, Snowy had jumped onto the boot of a car. No, this was after I walked the route. Can you chillax, bro? And what I'm talking about. Yeah. What a wow. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys like 4 minutes. This flower on my face. I thought I'd give you guys like take, Snowy. Take, Snowy. I mean, I love you too, but wait, man. There's a time for showing TLC, and then there's a time for just, chillaxing. with the squad. But like, yeah, I just wanted to holler at you people. So it's like, yeah, yeah. Anyway, so like, peace out, everybody. Take Snowy, ha, 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 ha. Outside, 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 take, outside. So it's like, yeah. So yeah, peace out, everybody. Hope you enjoy your festive season. And I will see you on Thursday. Yeah.